This is Mike at Astro EAF, and I'm doing a second video on installing a EAF on the Svbony MK105 Cassegrain telescope. And I'll leave a link in the video showing a previous installation of the ZWO EAF to the telescope. I'm using the same bracket. The bracket was made by Starizona. It's a 3D bracket, and it was a simple installation for me to install it. I removed the vixen dovetail mounting bracket, installed the 3D printed bracket, attached the EAF by the mounting screws, took off the focuser knob, attached the two couplings to the shaft on the EAF and on the OTA, and then installed the belt. So a simple installation. Again, the bracket and couplers were printed by Starizona in Tucson, Arizona. Telescope retailer. Now, no, I'm not getting supported by Starizona. No support by Touptek. This is a Touptek Astro EAF. Purchased several products from Touptek. Purchased a number of items from Svbony. Have gotten service from Starizona. Purchased a few items from Starizona, which is a good telescope retailer here in Arizona. And I'm going to figure out my back focus and attach a camera. I'll either use the Starizona wireless control unit or just no, there is no or. I don't have another wireless controller. See, the Starizona, or I got to pull this EAF off because I'd have to put the ZWO EAF on if I was going to use the ASI Air Plus or Mini. But simple installation for anybody that has the MK90, MK105, or the MK127. Easy installation. Now, I've seen installations where they use the vixen mounting bracket with a plate to attach the EAF to, and then attach the belt from the couplings on the original vixen dovetail plate. But that was before my time, so I'm hoping this will work. Gonna take it out tonight if it's clear, otherwise maybe this weekend if it's clear, and see what results I'll get. All right, clear skies.